In this video, I'll be going over my February 2024 YouTube AdSense and analytics. So let's get started with my content and then all. So scrolling down, I only published 3 videos in February, and I know that's less than I normally do and not very consistent, and I'll explain why later on in the video and show how this impacted my channel. So most viewers watch videos only at 75%, some watch both at 17%, and then some watch shorts only at 8%. I had 156.9K impressions. And then scrolling down, 50.2% found me through YouTube search, 19.8% through browse features. And I have a feeling that browse features is lower than typical and YouTube search is higher because I did not post as many videos. And I feel like a lot of my newer videos would be on browse features. But since I didn't post as many new ones, a lot of the videos were found through YouTube search, which I am still very happy that, I mean, this is more than half of my videos and views and everything are being found through YouTube search because I want to have searchable content. So moving over to my actual revenue and analytics, so I made $110.79 and 13.3K views, 540.4 watch time hours, and 138 subscribers. And you can see, I mean, this is 5.4K less than usual, 169.6 less than usual, and then 32 less than usual. So definitely not the best month for me, but I understand why. So if I go over here to my revenue, I barely made the $100 threshold to get paid out each month, and I was actually getting pretty nervous. I wasn't going to make that threshold. So I'm very glad that I did because I really want to be getting a payment every single month from YouTube. And you can see the revenue just going down here, honestly. So I was making over $200 and then I dropped down to the high 100s, and then in February it really dropped down to barely over 100, which I'm still super grateful and thankful for any sort of additional income, but this is mostly because I just wasn't posting videos. So we'll do the last 90 days so it'll give us that chart here. Okay, so for February, I literally posted 3 videos and that was it. So that was one huge reason why I did not make a lot of money. My revenue was lower during this time here, and I think the lowest day was February 2nd at $1.71. And then my highest day, it looks like, is February 17th at $8.22. So this video I posted here, my tutorials don't always do well. They either do well or they don't. It really depends. But my income report videos tend to do pretty well. So that's why there's a spike here in the income. I say spike, I guess loosely, because for me this is a spike. I mean, $8.22 a day is really, really good for me. But for other people, I know it's not like hundreds a day, but either way, I'm happy and I'm proud of that. So that's why my income went up. And then that is probably honestly why I was able to make over $100 in that month. But definitely being inconsistent negatively impacted my channel. So let me go back to February here. Okay, so looking at the revenue a different way, I mean, I didn't post anything for about 2 weeks, and I didn't post anything again for like 2 weeks. And scrolling down, my RPM was $10.61, so it's also lower than what it has been. And I'm not entirely sure why my RPM fluctuates. I mean, I know why it does in a way. I know that it depends on what advertisers want to pay and everything like that. But I honestly couldn't tell you all the specifics or why my revenue or why my RPM went down by this percentage or this amount of money each month. I just feel like I need to do more research on that. So looking here, my top 5 are pretty consistent what they normally are. A realistic first year Amazon KDP number 1, and then my income report video for the month prior because I posted my January income report in February, my resize Amazon KP cover, my mid-February income report, and then how to create a budget planner using Canva. And then I do have one membership here, so thank you so much to that person who is supporting my channel and being a member. I greatly appreciate it. It truly helps me out a ton. And yeah, so just thank you so much. And then my shorts feeds made 12 cents. Watch page ads made $108.58. And then my YouTube premium viewers made me $1.37. I'm not really sure how we make money off of YouTube Premium, but we do, and I'm super thankful for that. But really, I just was very inconsistent in February, and now I'll explain why. So, around mid-ish February, we actually adopted a dog. And we have been looking to get a dog for a little while now and started the process and been searching, and we finally adopted one, and we love her so much. But of course, as most of you all know, dogs take up quite a bit of time. So she has taken up a lot of our time, and it has definitely been an adjustment. On top of that, I am now officially a full-time employee at the company I'm currently working at. I got promoted to full-time. I was already working full-time in a way as a contractor, but it wasn't always 40-hour weeks. I didn't have benefits or paid time off really at all. I don't think I got any at least. So I officially became a full-timer during February. So now I'm working full 40-hour weeks with the benefits, everything like that. So I'm currently doing that. And I've been picking up quite a bit of extra overtime, or at least for me, it's quite a bit of extra overtime. So in addition to that, I started leasing a horse in February as well. So now I'm also riding multiple days a week. So my schedule really picked up and got busy fast, as well as we have been traveling and just doing so much. There has been a lot going on while also trying to go out and explore and spend time with my husband and everything like that. So that is why in February I definitely slacked with my side hustles or side businesses. I guess I did not post as my YouTube videos. I have not published a KDP book since August 2023, and I really want to change that. This month is currently March 4th, and I really want to start publishing on KDP again because I know that that is such an incredible stream of income and that I know I can grow it if I publish some more books. So I'm definitely planning on working on that. I'm hoping to publish more consistently on YouTube in February, hoping to do 2 videos a week, at least one, and catching up on all these income report videos I haven't done, and then hoping to do some more tutorials. And we'll just kind of see what happens there, I guess. But hopefully, I'm more consistent, and this is less revenue. But I'm hoping in February, or I mean not February, in March, I can bring that revenue up. So it is really great that this year is a leap year because I think that that honestly helped me out too. Since February normally has like 2 or 3 less days, instead, I just think it was helpful, honestly. So that is pretty cool. And yeah, I hope this video was helpful or inspiring in some way, or at least just somehow helpful. And I'd love to know how your YouTube channel is going. And if you have any tips for being, I guess, better at time management and productivity, I'm all for them. I really try hard with that, and some tips I have that I really need to be doing myself is just planning out my days. When I plan out my days and plan out things to do, I'm much better, and when I don't procrastinate, I realize I spend a lot more time on my phone or watching TV than I really think that I do, where I could be doing something more productive. And I honestly just need to take my own advice with that. But anyways, I hope this video was helpful, and I'd love any tips or tricks that you may have, and please feel free to comment any questions below, and I try to respond to everybody the best that I can. Thank you so much for watching and listening to this video. I hope that you have a great day.